Hello students, in this video we'll start a new chapter, Locus from intermediate. Okay, this chapter is very easy. Alright, now if you understand this chapter, the other chapters will be easier. Transformation of axis, straight lines, pair of straight lines will be easier. Okay, so this chapter is very small but very important. Alright, and see, what is the definition of locus? Definition of locus is, see, the path traced or formed by a point, okay, which satisfies certain geometrical condition, okay, certain geometrical condition, okay. Path traced or formed by a point which satisfies a certain geometrical condition. What do we mean by this? See here, let us say we have a point, okay, let us say this point is A, and there is a point, okay, which is, let us say, 7 meters or 7 units away from this point. From this point is 7 units away. Let this be point P. Okay, do you think we'll have only this one point which is 7 units away from this point? We'll have a point here also. See, if this is 7, see, this is also 7, this will also be 7, this point will also be 7, this point will also be equal to 7, this point will also be equal to 7, this point will also be equal to 7 units away from this point, right? So, see, all these points will be 7 units away from A, right? All these points will be 7 units away from A. Alright, now this point is tracing some path. This point is forming some path, right? What is it? It is forming a circle. In this case, it is forming a circle. So, the equation of this circle is called as locus. Okay, see, path traced or formed by a point. See, path traced or formed by a point, and this point is following or satisfying certain geometrical condition. Okay, this point is following certain condition, isn't it? What is that condition? The condition is this point is 7 centimeters away. See, all these points are 7 centimeters or 7 units away from point A. Alright, I hope you understood the definition of locus. I can give you one more example. Let us say there are 2 points. Let us say we have A and B, okay, and let us say we have point P, and this point P is equidistant from both the points. Equidistant means equal distance. That means, see, if this distance is 5, this distance is also equal to 5 units. Okay, do you think we'll have only one point which satisfies that geometrical condition? No, we might have this also. See, this and this. Let us say this is 4 units, 4 units. This point is equal distance from here and here, right? Okay, so like this we can have this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, like this, right? So all these points will be equal distance from A and B. So what is the path it is tracing? What is the path this point is tracing? Straight line. So equation of this straight line will be the locus. Alright, I hope you understood the definition of locus. Alright, so we have a problem here. We'll solve this problem. Alright, so just let me rub this. Okay, now see, find equation of locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 from A. Okay, so there is point A, 4 comma minus 3, and we have a point somewhere. Let that point be P, x comma y. Okay, and this point is 5 units away from this point, okay, from this point A. All right, see, first thing we should do is let the point be x comma y, okay, the part traced by a point, right? So we should take this point as x comma y. All right, so let the point be px comma y, okay, px comma y. All right, now do you think we'll have only one such point? No, this point will also be 5 units away, this point will also be 5 units away, like this. See, all these points will be 5 units away, which means we'll get an equation of circle, right? We'll get an equation of circle. See, in geometry, in coordinate geometry, in locus, transformation of axis, straight lines, pair of straight lines, circles, system of circles, okay, what you should do is you should imagine, okay, you should visualize this diagrams. Okay, point A will be the center of circle 4 comma minus 3, and we'll have a point P x comma y which is 5 units away, so it will form a circle, right? Like that we should visualize things, okay. All right, now see, distance between these 2 points is 5 units. In 10th standard we have studied a formula, distance between 2 points formula. It was x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root, okay. So if we take this point as x1 y1, this point as x2 y2, and substitute in that, what do we get? See, we need AP. See how much is given? AP is equal to 5 units given, okay. Let us substitute it. We can square it here also, or we can square it afterwards, because we need to remove the root. So AP, distance between these 2 points AP, is how much? x2 minus x1, that is x minus 4. x2 minus x1. So x minus 4 whole square will come. See, because x2 is x, x1 is 4. So we wrote x minus 4 plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Minus of minus will become plus. So here y minus of minus 3 whole square. So this minus of minus 3 will become plus. So be careful with the signs. This is equal to 5 given. Now if you square on both sides, what will happen? See, this square and this root will get cancelled. This will become 25, right? 5 square 25, and this one will be x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Okay, let us expand this. Let us simplify further using a minus b whole square formula here, a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so a minus b whole square will be a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, this one x square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square, plus this one a plus b whole square. So this one will be a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 25. Okay, let me just check whether this is visible in the video or not. Oh yes, up to here it is visible. So what I'll do is I'll drop this diagram and solve the problem here. So we have x square minus 8x, 2 4s are 8, plus 4 square is 16, plus y square, plus 3 2s are 6, 6y, plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 25. Okay, constants 16 and 9 will be 25, and this 25 will get cancelled, right? So let us see, 8x square y square, see this term and this term we completed, right? We wrote that minus 8x and 6y. Okay, 16 and 9 is 25, and here also we have 25. This 25 goes on the other side, becomes minus 25, right? So this will be equal to 0. So we'll have x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. Okay, so the locus is this, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. Okay, see, in some books this point P will be taken as x1 y1. Okay, so here you will get x1 and y1, here you will have x1 y1 x1 y1. Okay, finally you need to remove this x1 y1 anywhere, right? Okay, We can do that. Or see, it is the same thing. Or in some books this will be given as let the point be ph comma k. So in that case we'll get an equation in terms of h and k. Here h will come, here k will come, right? Here h and here k. After getting the equation in terms of h and k, we need to write that in x and y's again. Okay, in place of h and k, replace h and k with x and y. We'll get the same equation. Alright. So I hope you understood this definition of locus and this one example problem. See you in the next video. Okay, we have a problem here. Find equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the points A -3, 2 and B 0, 4. Okay, see, visualize this problem. There are 2 points A -3, 2 and B 0, 4. Okay, we have 2 points and there is a point which is equal distance from these 2 points. So that point can be here. Let that point be x, y. Okay. We need to find the locus of this point. See, find equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, so we have 2 points and this point is equal distance. Okay, we have 2 points and 1 point is equal distance. We need to find the equation of that line. See, this one will be the point. Okay, this is equal distance. See, this AP and PB will be equal. We'll have many points which will satisfy that condition, right? This point is also equal distance, this point is also equal distance, so we'll have infinite points which will satisfy this condition. Okay, so the path traced by this point is the locus. Okay, what is the path that is being traced? What is it form? Line is forming, right? Straight line. So we need to find the equation of this straight line. Okay, so in geometry you need to visualize the question. Okay, if you visualize the question, this geometry will be very beautiful. All right, so see, find equation of locus of a point. Okay, what is given to us? PA is equal to PB, given equal distance. This P and PB is equal. Okay, we have studied distance between the 2 points. See, let us take A and B first. Let this be x1, y1, let this be x2, y2. Okay, distance between the 2 points formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root, right? Or you can write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also. It is same. Okay, so let us find PA first. x2 minus x1. So we have under root x2 is x minus x1. So this is x, minus of minus 3 whole square will come here, right? So minus of minus 3 will be plus y2 minus y1. Y minus 2 whole square. Y2 is y, y1 is 2. Okay, whole square is equal to PB. See here, this is B 0, 4. P is x, y. Okay, I'll write P here, x, y. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. We can take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2 also. It doesn't make any difference. So let us find the distance between these two. x2 minus x1. That means x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. If you square this, if you square on both sides, the roots will get cancelled, right? How can we cancel roots? By squaring on both sides. So what are we left with now? We are left with x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. X minus 0 is x only, right? So x square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square expansion and a minus b whole square expansion here. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2 into x into b plus b square, right? X square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus a minus b here. So it is y square minus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square is equal to x square plus a minus b here again. So this will be a square minus 2 into y into 4 plus 4 square. Alright. So let us slowly Simplify this. X square plus 6x, 2 3 is 6 plus 9, 3 square is 9 plus y square minus 2 2 is 4, 4y plus 2 square is 4 is equal to, did we write all the terms? 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, 6 terms here. X square plus y square minus 2 4 is 8y plus 16, 4 square is 16. See, x square y square, this x square y square will get cancelled, okay, because if you send this x square this side, it will become minus x square anyway, right? So this plus x square, this x square will get cancelled. Same way y square and y square will get cancelled. Some students, see, if we have like this, they will cancel this. Don't do that, because this y square goes on the other side, it becomes plus, right? So it will become 2y square. So if you have same quantities with same signs on either side of equal to, you can cancel that. So that's why we cancelled x square here, x square here, y square here, y square here, right? So 6x plus 9 minus 4y plus 4 is equal to minus 8y plus 16. Let us send these two terms also this side. So this is 6x, 9 and 4 is 13, and we'll write minus 4y here plus 13 plus 8y. This minus goes on the other side, becomes plus, and this plus goes on the other side, becomes minus. So finally what do we have? 6x minus 4 plus 8 plus 4y minus, see, plus 13 minus 16 is equal to 0. We got equation of straight line. 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the locus, okay. Okay, find equation of locus of a point P such that distance of P from origin is twice the distance of P from A. Okay, see what is given, read the question carefully. Find equation of locus of a point P. Okay, let the point P be x comma 1. What is given? This point P is a see, distance of P from origin is twice the distance of P from A. See, origin is there, origin is 0 comma 0, right? And there is some point P here, so we'll take that point as x comma y, okay. And there is one more point A. What is given? 1 comma 2, okay. See, what is the geometrical condition here? Distance of this point P from origin is twice the distance from A. That means this distance and this distance. What is the condition? This OP, distance of this point from origin is OP, right? This is OP is twice this distance, PA or AP, okay, AP or PA. This is the geometrical condition given to us. We need to find the locus of this point. Alright, let us go ahead and find the locus. We can square on both sides now also, okay. We'll square it in the next step. Okay, distance between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, we know it is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root, isn't it? So if you take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, okay. So OP will be equal to how much? x2 minus x1, that is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. I hope you are able to understand this x2, y2, x1, y1. I wrote very small inside the root is equal to 2 times AP, okay. See, A, okay, A and B are here only, right? So if you take this as x2, y2, this as x1, y1, okay, x2 minus x1. So x2 is x minus x1, x1 is 1 plus y2 minus y1. So this is y minus 2 whole square. This is the condition. If you want to eliminate root values, we will square on both sides. So if you square on both sides, okay, if you square on both sides, what will happen? This and this will get cancelled. Don't cancel this square and this root. So what will happen? First, say this square is for 2 also, okay. Now you can cancel this. It is like this. Square is for this 2, square is for this root also, right? So square root will get cancelled. So we have x minus 0 is x, so this is x square, y minus 0 is y, so this will be y square is equal to 2 square will be 4, here we'll have x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Okay, let us write this brackets. Okay, so we have x square y square is equal to 4 times a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, same formula here. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, alright. So what do we have now? This is x square y square is equal to 4x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 4 will be 5, right? So let us write that 5 here. Okay, this will be 5. Okay, now see, if you multiply by 4, what do we get? I'll write here x square plus y square is equal to 4x square, okay, minus 8x, 4 into 2, plus 4 5s are 20, plus 4 into y is 4y square, minus 4 4s are 16y, right? Okay, let us bring this x square y square this side. So this will be 0 here, it is 4x square. This x square we sent it this side. We can send all the terms this side also, we'll get the same answer. Minus 8x plus 20 plus 4y square minus y square minus 16y. So this is 0 is equal to 3x square. Okay, let us write y square term. 4y square minus y square will be 3y square. So we are done with this 4 terms now. What do we have? Minus 8x, this is done, minus 16y plus 20. So this is the equation locus, or we can write is equal to 0 also. This is the equation of the locus of point P which is satisfying this condition. Okay. Alright. See, we have a problem here. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from coordinate axis. Okay. We need to find equation of locus of a point, and that point is equal distance from coordinate axis. What are coordinate axis? X axis and y axis, right? Okay, so x axis and y axis, and there is a point, and this point, let it be x comma y. Let that point be px comma y. Okay, and this point is equal distance from coordinate axis. We need to find the equation of this, locus of this point. See, all these points will satisfy the condition, all these points, and this point will also satisfy the condition. Alright, so what is the equation of this line? It is x is equal to y. What is the equation of this line? X is equal to minus y will come, okay, which we will learn in straight lines, of course. Now let us stick to basics. Let us stick to the concept what we know right now. We need to find the equation of this locus. Okay, alright, so let us say on y-axis let the point be M, and on x-axis let the point be M. We have studied in the lower classes that the point which lies on x-axis will look like this, x comma 0, because on this x-axis y value will be 0, right? So this point, let it be 0 comma y. Okay, so according to the problem, this Pn is equal to Pm given, right? Because this is equal distance, so it is given that Pn is equal to Pm. Okay, let us find the distance. Okay, we have 2 points, so let this be x1 y1, let this be x2 y2. Okay, so distance between 2 points formula, x2 minus x1, that is x minus 0. So x minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1, so y minus y. So we have y minus y whole square is equal to Pm. See, if you take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, x2 minus x1 whole square. So x minus x whole square, this is x, x2 is x, x1 is also x. y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 is y, y1 is 0. So y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so what do we have now? See, if you square on both sides, of course the roots will get cancelled, right? So x minus 0 is x, so it is x square. Y minus y is 0, so this will be 0 square is equal to x minus x is 0, 0 square. Y minus y is y square. Okay, so finally we have x square is equal to y square, or we can send y square on the other side. X square minus y square is equal to 0. Alright, you can write this as two separate straight lines also. See, x square is y square, right? So this square goes on the other side, becomes root, but it will become plus minus root, it will be plus minus y, which means x is equal to plus y and x is equal to minus y. Okay, so two straight lines will satisfy. See, this equation is x is equal to minus y, this equation is x is equal to y. If you multiply this, it will be x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, in fact this is pair of straight lines. We are writing those two lines separately like this. In the textbook the answer is this, x square minus y square is equal to 0, but remember these two are also correct. Okay, we have a similar problem here. Find equation of locus of a point equidistant from a 2, 0 and y-axis. Okay, read the question carefully. See, there is a point which is equidistant from this point. Equidistant means equal distance from this point and y-axis. Okay, so let us draw our x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, right? See, a is on x-axis because its y value is 0, 2, 0, which means this is x value, this is y, right? Y coordinate is 0 in this case, right? So that means a is somewhere here, 2, 0, and point P is somewhere here. Let point be here, x, y. Let the point be x, y, and this point is equal distance from y-axis and this point. Okay, like this. If this distance is 5 units, this distance is also 5 units. For example, right? This is P, let this point be some M. Okay, and we know point which lies on y-axis will be like 0, y. Alright? Okay, so what is the condition given? PA is equal to PM. Of course, let the point be Px, y. This should be our first step. Alright? Okay, now PA is equal to PM. If this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, we know. Okay, let us find PM first. So let us find PA first. So let this be x1, y1, this is x2, y2. We know distance between 2 points formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root, right? So x2 minus x1 is x minus 2. This is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So this is y minus 0 whole square inside the root is equal to PM. Same thing, x2 minus x1 whole square. So this is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus y whole square. Okay, alright, let us simplify this. If you square on both sides, square roots will get cancelled, right? So this is x minus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to x minus 0 is x, so this will be x square. Y minus y is 0, so this will be 0 square. Okay, alright, let us expand this. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square plus y square is equal to x square will come here. Expansion using a minus b whole square formula, right? This x square will get cancelled because this x square goes that side, becomes minus, so x square minus x square will be 0, right? So finally what do we have? We have y square minus 4x, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 square 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the locus. Alright, find equation of locus of a point P, square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times its y coordinate. Okay, what do we mean by this? See, square of whose distance from origin. See, there is an origin here. Let us say 0, comma 0. Of course, origin will be 0, comma 0, right? Okay. And there is a point P x comma y. Okay, point P. Let the point P be x comma y. This distance is 4 times, sorry, square of whose distance? So square of this distance, see, OP square is 4 times its y coordinates. 4 times is y coordinate. See, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. 4 times is y coordinate, means it is 4 times y. OP square is equal to 4 times y given. Okay, this is the condition given. Now we need to substitute the values. Suppose that this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Distance between these 2 points OP, okay, is given by x2 minus x1, right? So x2 minus x1. So this is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Under root is the distance and it is square. Don't forget this square is equal to 4y. Okay. So square and root will get cancelled. We'll have x minus 0 whole square is x square. Y minus 0 whole square will be y square is equal to 4y. You can send this 4y on the other side, becomes minus 4y. Okay. Easy problem. Okay. This will be the last video in this. This will be the last problem in this video. Let us solve this. Find the equation of locus of a point P such that PA² plus PB² is equal to 2C². This is the condition given. Okay. What should be our first step? Let the point P be x comma y, right? So let us do that. Let the point be P x comma y. Okay. Now see PA. So let us find PA first. Okay. So P is x comma y and A is a comma 0. Okay, if you take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, PA will be equal to how much? x2 minus x1, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus y2 minus y1, that is y minus 0 whole square under root. Okay, this is PA. But what will be PA square? PA square will be square of this. So root and square will get cancelled. We'll have x minus a whole square plus y square here. Okay, y minus 0 is y, so it will be y square. So in place of this PA square, let us write this one. X minus a whole square. Let me change the marker. X minus a whole square plus y square. Okay, let us write PB square down. Okay, let me just rub this and write PB square. Okay, so B is minus a comma 0 and P is x comma y. If you take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, or you can take this as x2 y2, this as x1 y1, it will make no difference. What will be PB now? x2 minus x1, that is x minus of minus a will become plus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. This is PB under root. Okay, PB square will be square root of this. Square and root will get cancelled. We'll have x minus a whole square plus y square. Y minus 0 is y. So this PB square will be equal to x plus a whole square plus y square. Okay, is equal to 2 times c square is given. C is some number. Okay. Alright, let us expand this. So it is x square minus 2 into x into a plus a square plus y square plus x square plus 2 into x into a plus a square plus y square is equal to 2c square. So how many times x square we have? 2 times. So this is 2x square. Okay. So we are done with x square term, right? Y square is also twice, 2 times. So this is 2y square. Okay. Next x term. So this is minus 2ax. 2 into a is 2a, 2ax. Okay. This minus 2ax plus 2ax will become 0, right? We have plus 2ax here, minus 2ax, 0. So what else do we have? A square is 2a square is equal to, did we write all the terms? Yes. Did I underline every term here? Yes. Is equal to 2c square. Okay. See, we can take 2 common and write it as 2 into x square plus y square plus a square is equal to 2c square. 2c square, this 2 will get cancelled. Finally, we'll have x square plus y square plus a square is equal to c square. You can send this a square on the other side. X square plus y square is equal to c square minus a square. Okay.